guys, welcome to my first ever vlog. I've been wanting to vlog for quite a while, but I've never really got round to it, and I guess this corona situation's kind of forced me into it because there's nothing else to do. My name's Imogen. I am currently supposed to be graduating from fashion, but with the situation right now it's looking a little tricky. I was supposed to be making a final collection, which isn't happening. I just hope I get my graduation day. So for now I'm just cooking and baking and cleaning, I guess like everyone else in the world is doing right now. I'm sure everyone's homes look super clean and super tidy. I will at some point be showing you how to do hair and makeup for the different characters, and I'll be showing you how I make some of my costumes. So I've made a Sabrina costume before, and yeah, sometimes I buy costumes in and I'll just tweak them a little bit. Other times I'll start from scratch. So I'll be taking you through all the cosplay, cooking, anything you need to know. I like dressing up as mostly Disney characters. I'm going to be dressing up as different characters and making some food. We'll see how that turns out. So I've not always been the best chef in my life, so it could be slightly interesting. We'll see. For this week it's Easter, and I thought it would be a nice idea to do a nice Easter dessert that you can do with your family, with your children. The Ice Queen will be cooking an Easter surprise that's all about Olaf. I hope you enjoy my video. Send me pictures if you attempt the recipe. I'd love to see your creations. Hi everyone! So today we are going to be making Olaf's Easter surprise. Easter surprise is just an Easter egg with cheesecake inside. It's got hidden marshmallows, and we're also going to make little mini chocolate Easter eggs with the cheesecake inside, just like Olaf's little babies. And we're going to decorate it to be just like him, just like this little guy here. Okay, so let's get started. Firstly, I have measured out 60 grams of digestive biscuits, which I've then crushed up. I have also got 45 grams of unsalted butter. Now the first thing we're going to do is mix these both together. I have something looking like this, so the butter's all stuck to the breadcrumbs. Now what you're going to do is tip it onto a plate that's got either baking paper or foil on, like so. And you're just going to flatten it out. Flatten it out like that. Place this in the fridge for the next 15 minutes. Okay, so now we're on to the next step. I need you to get 125 grams of cream cheese. I'm not using cream cheese due to COVID-19 reasons because they didn't actually have any in stores. So instead I found some vanilla quark, which I'm hoping will work. And you also need 25 grams of icing sugar. So what you're going to do is you're going to mix together the cream cheese and the icing sugar until it's smooth. It's probably best to use a whisk for this, but again, I don't have a whisk, so I'm just going to do it by hand. This looks pretty smooth to me now. So what you're going to do is you're going to slowly mix in some double cream. Now you need 75 milliliters of double cream. Now I've put in 15 ml, and I'm going to mix that in, and then I'm going to put in the other 60. Should end up with something that looks like that. It's nice and smoothie. Now I'm going to add in my marshmallows. Now I've got these mini marshmallows to put in. When this thickens, you can put some of the marshmallows in and mix them in to make sure they're nice and even. You can put as many in as you like. So this is what you end up with. Okay, so you can use any Easter egg, but I've decided to get the Curious Inventions Poppin' Candy Easter egg, just for a little bit more of a surprise. So the next step we have is cutting our chocolate eggs in half. Now you need to do this very carefully. If you get a hot knife that you put in hot water and you get the egg and you just slowly cut round each of the sides, we're going to take our breadcrumbs out of the fridge and you're going to put them inside the egg. So to do this, I'm just going to get a spoon and crumble up the breadcrumbs underneath. I've still got some left, which I'm going to put in the other half of the egg. But for now, we're just going to do these. You're going to get your mixture and just pour it in. You'll then end up with filled eggs that you need to put in the fridge for at least a couple of hours. You can leave them overnight. And then we're going to get on to decorating. Okay, so next for decoration, I've got some white chocolate that I got really cheap from Aldi, some orange food coloring, and strawberries. Now, we need to do this so it has time to set because we are going to dip the strawberry in orange chocolate. And that is going to be for Olaf's nose. So we need to make this. Okay, now that everything is set, I have got my orange strawberry nose and I've melted some chocolate down and put it into some food bags, which we are then going to decorate our Olaf face with. Okay, so we've got Olaf here to work from. Now, I'm going to stick on Olaf's nose, which is very big compared to his face.
I love it even more.
We're going to cut a little hole. Now you can decorate him as you wish, but I'm just going to have Happy Olaf because he loves warm hugs. Do his teeth. And I'm going to do an outline of his eyes. This is really the point where you can just make it your own. And I have bought a twirl for his little hair. Cut at the twirl a little bit. This will be really fun to do with the kids over Easter holidays. I've also got some Sugar Crunch blue and white bits to put on top of the smaller eggs. Voila! We have Olaf and his little snow babies. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe down below if you want to see more. We have lots more stuff to be showing you. I'm also working with my friend Charlotte, who does the same as me, and she'll be doing some videos too on teaching you some more things that you can make, interesting things you can do with your time right now, anything you like. And if you have any ideas, then please tell us and we'll see if we can do them. Okay, until next time, bye guys!